Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get good at Figma. To start, download the desktop app or use the browser version. Spend about 30 minutes exploring the interface, understanding where your layers, assets, and design panels are located. Then, practice using basic tools like the Frame tool, Shape tools, and Text tool to create simple elements. This foundational practice is crucial for building confidence and speed. Next, dive into Figma's powerful core features. Mastering auto layout will transform your designs, making them responsive and easy to manage. Dedicate time to creating components and their variants. This is key for building scalable design systems. Also, explore the vast plugin ecosystem. Many plugins can save you hours of work, from content generation to accessibility checks. As you advance, embrace Figma's collaborative power. Set up team libraries to share styles, components, and assets seamlessly across your projects, ensuring consistency. Learn to build interactive prototypes to bring your designs to life and test user flows. Actively seek and provide feedback in design critiques. This is one of the best ways to refine your skills and understand different perspectives. Finally, continuous learning is essential for long-term growth. Immerse yourself in the Figma community. It's a fantastic resource for inspiration, tips, and support. Make it a habit to watch new tutorials and participate in design challenges to push your boundaries. Staying updated with Figma's new features and broader design trends will keep your skills sharp and relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.